everybody, Kalma
Hi.
here. This is my friend, Doll. Is that what you want to go by?
Yeah.
Doll. This is my friend Doll, or Shy Doll on Instagram. I'll link her down below. Do you have any other social media?
No.
No? Okay, Instagram.
Instagram.
Instagram is all she uses. But this is her. Hello. I'm gonna be dressing her up in Lolita today. This is her first time. I'm gonna be doing her makeup too, so we'll see how that goes.
I'm gonna be
I'm basically turning her into me, but she's done her foundation and her eyebrows because I don't really do eyebrows.
And I have half eyebrows. I shave mine.
Yeah, so I don't know how to deal with that. But she has her foundation and her eyebrows on already. I picked out an outfit for her and everything. So this is her first time, and we're gonna go downtown and walk around, but yeah. She's a lot more experienced with makeup than I am, so you're gonna be seeing me ask her a lot of questions about brushes, because I only use like 4 brushes. And she has all of these.
So many.
So I'm kind of out of my element here. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, but let's get started. So where do I start?
I normally use like a light color, so I have multiple. Like any.
She has the Saint and Sinner palette, and I'm so like upset. It's
a
beautiful.
beauty. I normally either use Amen on the lid or Linen from the Lorac.
Well, this is me doing what I normally do, so we're not going to be using a base because I don't do a base.
But how are you gonna blend the shadows then?
Mine turns out just fine, and I don't use a base. You have to trust me. You have to trust me. I'll put a base on for you, okay? I'll put a base on for you. I am so out of my element right now. I just use 2 brushes for darker colors and lighter colors, and that's it. That's all I do. I'm simple when it comes to makeup. You are very complicated.
Yeah. My looks are refined.
Wow, rude. Alright, whatever.
I do special.
Close your eyes before I poke you in the eye.
Okay.
I zoomed in on her face so you can actually see what I'm doing. Am I done with the base brush now?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's not the base brush, that's the highlighter one.
They look exactly the same!
So it'd be a bad time to sneeze.
So, do you need to sneeze?
No.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I promise you'll look beautiful, don't worry. It's a start.
It's a start.
Do you have any grays? I did that the wrong way.
Well,
Oh, it is a pretty gray.
Fixated. From the left 6 stack. This is really expensive.
Should I use a different brush?
No, fuck it.
I'm doing like a fake smoky eye base.
Just me. Fake.
Don't worry, it'll look better in a second. I have to blend it out first, but okay, now I'm gonna do white.
Do I have any white shadows? I think I forgot my white
This one
eyeshadow
has,
palette.
if not, I mean I could use my white. Excuse me, I'll be right back. This one has a lot of fallout, but it's fine. So I'm putting white in the corners of her eyes, just like what I did.
Don't worry, it's a highlight.
I need a
Which one's blending?
blending brush.
Like if you do it right there, it tickles
Right there. Should I keep doing it then?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
You're like getting in my eyeball.
I'm sorry, I was trying. You have such big brushes. I use like such small ones. Not sure how much of this you can actually see, but look at her. She's beautiful. I mean, even without makeup, she's beautiful.
I
But
can't
now she's
see
even more
any of it
beautiful.
because I don't have my glasses on.
So the next thing would be eyeliner, and I'm afraid of that.
Can I find it?
Oh, I hate this eyeliner. Then why are you having me use it?
Because it's the only one I brought.
I'm very afraid of this part.
I'm so scared.
My camera stopped, and I don't know what you missed, but her eyeliner's done now. It's not perfect, but it's close enough.
The lashes will cover that.
Exactly.
That's what I always say.
I didn't poke her eye! So when I do my dots on my face, like the ones I have on now, I use one of these kinds of like liquid eyeliners because it's just easier to make little dots with them. So let's give you little dots. Oh, sorry! Dots! I don't want to fuck with your lashes, so I'm gonna let you do that now. So you can do your lashes now.
Lashes part?
I'm letting her do her lashes because I want to twist myself. Oh, look at her, she's so beautiful! Oh my god! Next would be highlighter. Highlighter, and then lip.
Or bronze. So, you want bronze my face? Just a little bit. Contour.
I don't use any.
Okay.
I mean, we'll do a little bit just so you feel safer, but I don't know much about contouring. I'm gonna contour for the first time, guys. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
That's a lie.
I've never contoured before. Highlighter, my favorite part. I love highlighter. I only use highlighter. I only use highlighter.
Jeffree Star. Crystal Ball. The perfect goth highlighter.
Is it like super white?
It's all white. And there's a little bit of a pink shift in it.
Ooh, girl,
I want to be seen
yes.
from space. I don't know if the camera can see it.
Probably not because your face is super washed out because you're really pale, but...
I know. Sorry I'm white, guys. I'm really pale, and I use my really pale foundation today.
It's nice to be washed out though sometimes because then they can't see your blemishes.
You can't see my pores.
Oh, I should have blushed. I forgot about blush. I usually do blushing with girls.
It's fine. You want to put a blush on? You can
Just a
put
little
blush
bit.
on.
Just a little bit. So close your eyes.
Oh, because Lolita.
Yeah. Like the super high blush.
It's fine.
Lipstick is the last part. She's almost done. It's just lipstick. We're gonna do black on you since you're doing an all black cord. So where's your black lipstick? Alright, I'm gonna be doing what I do, which is kind of like a little bit fuller on the top and then like the kind of round dolly lip. So I'm not gonna do like your whole lip. It's just gonna be like kind of the middle part. I've never used. Ooh, it smells though. Oh, it's very chemically. Yeah.
Yeah, that's Kat Von D.
This does not smell great.
I feel like he's just screaming at you.
Don't scream at me, I'll just
feel like
your entire face. Alright. I'm gonna get on my knees here and just like pray to me.
She's proposing.
I'm proposing. Will you marry me? Wait, where's your will you marry me?
Look at that! Look, can the camera see that?
Probably
can you
not.
see that? I wish you could.
It's the
beautiful.
It's the Kat Von D highlighter palette.
It's a beautiful
and
palette.
it's amazing.
It's washed out just like me.
Alright, lipstick time. Let's do this, I'm afraid. This is a very intense moment. That's the lip. You only do half at the bottom and just outline the rest. That's how you do the lip.
It tickles.
I'm gonna fuck up so bad if you keep making me laugh, man.
I'm sorry.
Stop laughing!
Why? Why you like this?
Because it was the perfect time to do it.
You whispered penis.
I did. Look at how gorgeous her makeup is. Oh, she looks beautiful. She looks amazing. So makeup done by me mostly. Choker from D'Andre. The shawl I thrifted. And then the dress and the corset is from Soufflé Song. I'll link it down below, it's really pretty. And then she's just wearing some shoes that I have that are way too big for her because she does not share the same size as me. But she looks gorgeous! And we're gonna go head downtown now. It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
It'll be cool.
I'm gonna eat a lot.
Oh, we're gonna eat tons, yeah. Anyway, say goodbye. This video's over. You'll have to watch the next one to see how we do downtown.
Watch our continued journey.
Yes. Goodbye.
Bye.